Nope, we got to go live on TikTok too. Hold on. Da, da, da. I hate. You can hear me chewing. It's so clear. It's disgusting. Da, 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 da. Beautiful when things come out. We got to document it, precious. We made the correct calls. Now we shall document those correct calls. Helping people make money. Tra la 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 la. All right. Back again, a little early. We just made those 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops. Yep, we did. And made you guys lots of money if you listen to them, even on demo. I don't really care. Dot, 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 dot. Oh, hold on now. Why is my YouTube? There it is. Dang on, YouTube's been slacking today. All right. We have tons of money being made. Tons of money being made. Just made it right now. I hope you guys listened to my last calls. I wrote them out, drew them out, told you what they were. I don't know what else I can do other than that. Na da dum. Da 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 dum. All right. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the 5-minute buy stops that I left you all in. Woo! Somebody made some money. There we go. Finally, we have some sound. Now, let's get this off of here. Now, we need this over here. How do I get this over here? System. Sound. And there. And we're done. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Now, careful, precious. What a mess. All right. So what do we got going on here? We have, let's see, I don't even know if anyone's here. I don't really care either. We're just documenting this for prosperity's sake. We have the 15-minute, 5-minute buy stops I left you in, obviously engaged. What's up, Tanny? What's up, Steven and Paige, the marketer? What's up, Con? Oh, Con. What's up, Patrick? Back for round 2. Just in time for lunch. Welcome back, Kevin. 4 for 1 today. Con, you're a hyper man. I'm glad for that, but please, you're only supposed to be trading SPX. Jesus. Anywho, I'm glad you're doing hyper and you're really glad about that. I'm happy for you. Okay. Now, let's see what we have going on today. Second time on. Precious. We're not staying on long either. Me and Precious are going to go run around, have some fun, maybe even do some shopping today. So, but we do have to get this call done. Hi there. Can't wait to join the safety trade. What's up? Just Castic. Fantastic. I can't wait for you to join either. Real. I hope you're on very soon. Thank you all for being here again. I left you all with some buy stops. Thank you for the system. What's going on? Making money all day with system. That's right, Joe. Welcome back, Philip. Thank you. Money, 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 money. I agree, Chris. Stevie Haynes, correct. Chris, Aaron. What's up, Aaron? Now, this is what I left you guys with. These exact words right here. You can see them. I typed it out in the last YouTube video, the previous one right to this. They were left with NAS 1-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop, US 30 1-minute sell stop, buy stop 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at how that actually worked out on the 5-minute. US 30 would have been in. You'd be up over 70 pips right now. Let's just go ahead and look at NAS. NAS, you'd be up over 30 pips right now. SPX, you'd be up over 8 pips. So you're up over 110, about 120 pips on those calls. These are clear and distinct buy stops, 100% accurate, easiest things to see on earth. This is SPX. This is NAS. This is US 30. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about so no one gets misunderstandings in this little thing right here. Hold on. Let me get back over to here. Look in stunned amazement of how this oops, sorry about that, we're messing around with a whole bunch of things there, my bad. Look again, one more time. I can't even get it drawn. Here? There we go. Now, let's take a look at a bright yellow nothingness. Watch. This right here, when you go forward in this and take a look, watch what happens. They dipped it down right here. So let's take a look at what our indicator showed us. Green, 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 red, green, green. You put a buy stop above here somewhere and you make money. Watch this little look right here. You guys should all print this out. That's US 30. This same time period is NAS. This same time period is SPX. All 3 indices showed the buy stop at the same time. You should take a picture of this, print this, only trade this. Green, 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 red, green, green, put a buy stop on. If you'd have listened to these calls that I made, how long ago was that? I don't even know, an hour or 2, I have no idea. You'd have made how much money? Oh, I don't know, a shit ton of money. Over literally over hold on, 120 pips combined. All 3 5-minute buy stops are called out also, and it's unbelievably accurate. And there you go. And that's it. Period. That's how you train. Everyone clear? He gives us more than enough. You just have to manage the risk. There it is. You just have to be patient and trade the popper trades. Everybody that wants to trade at 3 o'clock in the morning, every shitty little safety trade that isn't confirmed on the 5-minute, you're going to lose because you're human erroring it. If you actually did it the correct way, you do not lose. Period. Now, you do not have to rely on support and resistance. That is lies. You do not have to rely on anything else other than what you're seeing before your eyes right now. Everything else you were taught was one big lie. How do I know? Type it in for yourselves. Right there. That's it. And I know for a fact I lost money, you guys lose money, everybody out there trading loses money. Period. There is no one with 500 videos, 10 months with a 100% daily win rate on anywhere trading. Show me them. Pull them up. Share it with me. I never found anybody in 5.5, 6 years. Why? Because they all use the old-fashioned stuff. Only 1% of traders, day traders actually make profitable, and I don't even believe that. I believe it's less than 1%. Type in, "Do 1% of day traders make money?" Less than 1% of day traders make money, period. Unless you're on the system, you have a 99% likelihood of being wrong. If you're on the system, I believe those numbers are completely flipped. And there it is. Clear? Easy peasy. We own that one too. Okay. Best spot just 50 minds. Amazing, says Joselius. Is the SPX 1 hour showing sell stop on the scanner? SPX is a new sell stop 1 hour on the safety trade. Yes, it is. Boom. I don't know. It's a 1-minute buy stop on the gap, by the way, on all 3. I don't know if I can make a system simpler for you than color coding it. I just don't know. I gotta be honest with you. I don't know if I can do it. And then I don't know if the system calls out over here, look at it. Well, you guys can't see it on TikTok. Sorry, hold on. Right here. If the system calls out, oops, sorry again. Let me pull this back in. Right here. And calls out on the scanner, 5-minute buy stop, 5-minute buy stop, 5-minute buy stop. Before it happens, I can tell you how long before it happens, but at least a half hour, hour before it happens. And then you guys don't listen to this. You don't apply what I teach you, then I can't help you all. I can lead a horse to water. I can't force you all to actually make the right decision to drink it. But boy, is this clear. There is no way that any other system can literally come up with. Let me show you here. Let me show you what this looks like. We're gonna pull up NAS. We're gonna go to the 15-minute for confirmation. We're gonna pull up NAS, and then we're gonna engage both at the same time. Oh, you can't see it. Damn. Let me try this one here. Hold on. This is NAS. Let me try it again here. Hold on. Oh, and I don't have it on that one. Fudge. Well, any rate, trust me on this when I tell you, damn it, that this is unbelievable. You have over 20 confirmations this was a buy. 20 confirmations for NAS that this was a buy. Watch. 1,700. Let me go back. Yep, there it is right there. 1,700. Yep. Oh, okay, I'm gonna flip this phone. Painting by numbers, money by numbers. Yep, it's that easy. You will not find a better system coach, not better customer service. Ha! Thank you. That's Patrick. So look, guys. Thank you, Patrick. Look what I'm going to show you. No. Look, I'm going to show you what everyone sees on TikTok, on YouTube over here on TikTok. Watch what you're looking at. This is live. This just happened. This is how you know what trades really are going to do before they do it. We have an indicator here, right here. This indicator right here. This indicator right here is called the bullshit detector indicator. So what it means is when you see this red, that is just pretend. That is bullshit. That's fake. It's called the fake out, right? So what they're doing is the money makers, Vanguard and BlackRock, are so good at showing this down movement to go down, it fakes out everybody. Okay? So when they do this, hold on one second. I do want to see something real quick. Yeah, that's better. We're going to use this one. Switch over to US 30. It's the same. Oh, let me see SPX too. Hold on a second. No, it's not as good, is it? I'm going to leave NAS here. Okay. So for NAS right here, and we're going to use US 30 interchangeably. It doesn't matter. Watch. This is how simple this was. This is a fake out. So that is the equivalent of you trying to swim to the bottom of the pool. Let's just say it's Greg. He's in a pool. He's trying to dive down to get a penny from the bottom of the pool. That's the red going down. Red means down. Green means up. Below him, Patrick is pushing up. He's in the pool pushing up against Greg. And then below him, I'm pushing up. And then below me and over by me, Philip Sinclair is pushing up. So we have three grown men pushing poor Greg, who's trying to go down to the bottom of the pool, up. So this trade's trying to go down, but there's three other indicators saying up. Well, over here, there's the box, the most important indicator of history of the world. It's saying green up, pushing up. Our actual handles are green. They're up. We have a logo over here you can't see that's up, along with an up arrow. Then we go over to the 15-minute, which you always confirm 5-minute, 15-minute. Green, a logo, up arrow, green line, up on your over here is where it's at actually. Green on your Bach, green on your Bach. Fill in the gap. Green, 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 green. So now you have 20, probably at this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you have about 18 up arrows. So you have 18 pulling people, pushing people up against Greg. Greg had no chance to go to the bottom of the pool and get that penny. He has 18 to 20 people pushing and pulling him up. He'll never go down. The trade had no chance to go down. The trade only can go up, and it went up. Forget support and resistance and trend lines. Forget everything you think you know about naming of candles. Forget Fibonacci retracements looking to the left, ascending, descending wedges. Forget everything you thought you knew and learn this correct way of trading. You cannot miss on 1 hour, 4 hours. I've never seen it miss in over 3 years. This is a 1 minute, or I'm sorry, this is a 5-minute 15 trade. Obviously, this exact same trade with all of these has occurred on US 30, has occurred on NAS, has occurred on SPX, and there's the proof. There's the same pattern right here, and that's how easy it is to trade. You do not take all these shitty little trades, that you see some of the people in the group doing that are new that don't know any better. You wait for this exact setup like you see. You let me call it out, or you just learn a system yourself or listen to the actual, um, our scanner, and there you go, and that's the trade, and it's to the blue line. Are you kidding me? And they gave us this money, and there it is. And that's how you trade from now on. That's how easy it is to trade. There's your NAS, and there's your US 30. And the US 30 still hasn't even touched its, 5-minute yet, which I called out hours ago, about 5, 6 hours ago. It's gonna go up and touch its blue line, just like that. It's going to. SPX did it again. NAS did it a long time ago. So 2 out of the 3 already did it, and now US 30s are gonna do it, and it's gonna go right there and touch it. So there you go. That's it. What's the volume? Volume trading is the stupidest thing. If you're asking what size lots I trade anywhere from 0.09 to 0.01. But if you're asking volume, volume is silly. And I'm gonna say that as nice as I can. VWAP in volume trading, it leads to 99% losses. But again, don't take my word for it. Here, type it in. Do 1% of day traders make money? And you'll get your answer. And every day trader, including myself, including everyone that's ever traded, knows about volume and VWAP. Every day trader knows about naming of candles. Every day trader knows about Fib and Fibonacci retracements. Every day trader knows about support and resistance and trend lines. And every trader is 99.999% wrong. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. God bless you, baby. God bless you. Are profitable. Sean T said, "Morning, Kev." Yep, that was perfect. Not just that, Sean T. It wasn't just SPX. Understand that that same exact trade happened on SPX, happened on NAS, happened on US 30. The exact same 5-minute trade, which was called out by me right here. 5-minute US 30, 15-minute NAS, which are both the same, the exact same thing, right? All of those trades were called out 3, 4, 5 hours ago. That's all I can tell you. And it's going up to that blue line right there, and it will touch that blue line. I need to get on Georgia, Alabama, 68. If Kev, if I take the 4-hour buy stop and anything, how long or do I, or what signal is it to get out? Follow your rules for taking profit. Be nice. You open up 2, close 1 down, depending on what you're trading. Keep the other one open. Key C. So we should be with the arrows that pop up on the candles. The arrows, Keith, you haven't had your training. If you're asking me about arrows, don't ask. You haven't gone through your training. If you've gone through your training, you wouldn't ask that silly question. That is a silly question, and I'm saying that as nice. And if you don't have the system and you're trying to scam, then shame on you. If you have the system, watch your training video. If you haven't had your training video, don't ask a question like that until you're trained, then you won't ask a question like that. The breadth of stocks on NASDAQ going up is thin. I don't care. That means nothing, Miles. I don't think you heard the last thing I just told you, Miles. Volume does not matter. Am I clear? Volume is old fashioned. Volume is incorrect. Volume trading does not work. 99% of the time you will lose. Type it into Google. Ask Google. Am I talking slowly enough and clearly enough? Volume trading is silly and does not work. This is what works. What you're seeing clearly in front of you is what works. As I've made 500 videos over the last 10 months is what works. Everything else you've been taught about trading is wrong. Again, let me pull it up. Look clearly. Do 1% of traders make money? Type it into Google for yourself. Studies, not just one, multiple studies have shown that more than blah, 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 less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable, including only 1% of the volume day traders. Volume does not work. Hope that's clear enough. Any I don't care at this point. I'm gonna stop. I know. All right, I'm out. All right, TikTok. Heading over to YouTube. Telling you right now, they're all going to keep going up until that hits that blue line there on US 30. Heading over to YouTube. All right. We cut the feed on over 40 people, by the way, but it's better because I'm about to go off on the guy and smash him into 1,000 pieces. Thanks, says MFed. Okay. All right. Sorry, Kev. I know that. Got it. All right. Now, Patrick, I did good. Recaught me, pulled me off the live. So we're off the live on TikTok. All right. YouTube. I don't know. Who is this Keith? And why is he asking us that? Do you know if Keith sees him? Keith, are you in the system? Yes or no? He had his training? Oh, wow. Yeah, no, you need to go back and rewatch your training session. You should never ask that question, Keith. Concerned with the arrows that pop up on are you kidding me? Keith, go back, watch your training session 50 times a week for 4 weeks. How can he even ask that? I'm just thrilled. Who was in his group? Because there's got to be other people in the group that can help him. All right. Patrick, great news coming. Remember, I told you I want you guys to be teaching, right? Patrick, Patrick, D Knight, D Knight, D Knight, Joe, Legio, Paige the marketer, Chris Milne, Steven, Cowie, Philip St. Clair. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to have you guys on as guests. I'm going to have you guys on as guests, and you're going to be teaching for a day. Even if it's for an hour. I don't know if Patrick has at work, he can't do it. But if you can do it, whoever wants, I'm gonna put it in a Discord. I'm gonna send an email out to people who have it. Whoever wants to be a teacher for the day, even for an hour or a half hour, you're gonna come on the live with me, and you're going to make the calls for an hour or 2 or 3, and I'll correct you if you're wrong, and I'll go over things with you at the same time. But this is how you're going to be able to teach someone. I'm gonna have a guest teacher on hopefully at least once a week, if not every day. When we go live, there's going to be a guest teacher on that will be teaching you all how to trade. I'll override you. I'll make sure, like, if we're in a car, you're not gonna go killing someone. I won't let you destroy people, but I will have a guest teacher on. Bishop, you included, and this is how you guys are gonna get good. This is how you guys are gonna get better because when you have 100 or 200 or a couple thousand people listening to every call you make, you're gonna all of a sudden take every call you make seriously and understand why you're making that call. So, yeah, you think it's hard this is what cracks me up. People think it's hard trading by themselves, like trading by yourselves, "Oh, it's so hard, I can't do it." Try having 100 people on every call you make. Try having a whole bunch of stalkers behind there that don't even click in on TikTok. They'll watch it without clicking in. You're probably talking about 3 or 400 people or more every time I'm on listening to me. And as soon as I make one wrong call, they wanna jump me, but I don't make wrong calls, so I'm good. When you guys are on here, if you make the wrong call, you'll get jumped, and they'll let you know in no uncertain terms what the hell are you doing, blah, 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 blah. So if you'd like to be a guest teacher with me and learn how to trade by teaching other people live, let me know. Come over into the Discord. Don't message us in the email. Go in the Discord and do it. It might get nervous poops. Yep, that's happens. It can. Man, that would be intense. Joselius, my mind is blown away with this calls that you made super clear. I'm still sitting on my hands watching my videos and jumping on the lives learning how to trade. I think it would keep me from half call. It would. It would. It would. So look for guest speakers or guest teachers on my lives from now on, at least once a week, probably. I'll do it once a week. And I'm gonna do it on a CPI day. I'm gonna do it on an FOMC. And I'm gonna put you on at 8:20 in the morning. You guys would have a heart attack. Oh my God, they're coming up with news. What do I do? Oh, I won't eat right now. All right. And do this. That'll be great to see how they see the charts alongside with you and get your feedback. Absolutely, Mark G. You might be one of the guests, Mark G. All right, guys, we're out of here. Gonna go. Just wanted to document all this. But be looking up for the teacher of the day, maybe teacher of the week for first, and then we'll get to it. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Have a great afternoon. Probably won't see you this evening, but I have a feeling I will be back on this evening. Next day, too funny. Yeah, good luck with that trading that day. Oh my God. All right, guys. Talk to you all later. See ya. Look how fun that was. We kicked fucking